dangerous wedge tornado developed under a severe thunderstorm system, presenting a significant hazard to life and property. The tornado reached an estimated width of approximately 4 kilometers, classifying it as a wedge tornado due to its broad, wall-like appearance. Observed rotational wind speeds within the tornado reached approximately 403 kilometers per hour, indicating an intense and violent circulation consistent with the strongest tornado classifications. Such wind speeds are capable of producing catastrophic damage, including the complete destruction of well-built structures, uprooting of large trees, and displacement of heavy objects. The tornado tracked across the affected area at a forward speed of approximately 67 miles per hour. This rapid movement increased the danger by reducing warning time for residents and emergency services. The combination of extreme width, high rotational velocity, and fast forward motion contributed to a wide and continuous damage path. Visually, the tornado exhibited a classic wedge structure with a broad base